So friends, this is the Spa Guy, and we're going to talk about factory spa covers. This is a new website that we've just created, and the idea behind this website is that you do it by the brand of your hot tub. So if you have a Cal Spa or an Artesian or whatever your hot tub may be, you go in by brand covers and you go scroll down and you click on Cal Spas, for instance. It's going to open up the sizes of the covers that we're aware of that are standard builds for Cal Spa. You find the one that's the closest to yours and you choose that cover. Length, width, corner radius, skirt length are the things that you need to know. And tell them about some other products that we have.
You know, Billy, I think you have got this website down so good. It's very easy to walk through. You give them every step. Not only can they get the covers, but they can get the cover cap, kind of like the shower cap that goes on a cover.
Okay.
They can also get the sun shield, which is very protective. Winter, summer, it's a very good product to have. Like he said, very simple. Find your brand, follow the instructions, we'll ship it to you. That's all you need.
That's it. You click the button and buy. Now, if you have any questions, you're not confident, you don't feel good about it, you're not sure, that phone number, when you call it, you get Earl. And Earl's going to help you to be sure. We have a list of covers by brand and things that are that we can help you determine if it is the correct size and that sort of thing. And lastly, there may be some brands out there that we don't have on the website. If you have that situation, we build custom covers as well. So if you can do the measurements, we can build that. But the other thing that we could do is also try to add your hot tub to the website. So if you have a particular brand and it's something that we can figure out the sizes, we can make sure that the sizes are correct. We will actually add that to the website for future purchases of people that have the same hot tub that you have. So I tell you what, we don't know much about anything else, but we do know hot tubs. Right, Earl? Give Earl a call today, friends.